Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Christmas village. First, let's plan. Think about a fun theme like a snowy wonderland or a bustling town square. Decide where your village will live, perhaps on a tabletop or a mantelpiece. Then, gather your supplies, a base, your favorite houses, and little people or animals. It's exciting to imagine how big or small your magical scene will be. This initial planning makes the whole process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the foundation for your village. A strong base, like a piece of plywood or a thick foam board, is crucial. Next, it's time to create your landscape. You can use faux snow, cotton batting, or even white fabric to mimic a winter wonderland. Craft gentle hills with crumpled paper or foam, then add pathways using felt or small stones. Don't forget to place miniature trees and tiny bushes to bring your scene to life. With your landscape ready, it's time to arrange your charming village houses. Think about creating a cozy neighborhood or a bustling main street. Place your houses so they face different directions, adding depth and interest. Next, bring your village to life by positioning your figurines. Imagine little people ice skating, carolers singing, or children playing. Adding tiny details like streetlights, fences, or even a miniature park bench truly enhances the magic. The final touch for your enchanting Christmas village is lighting. Use small LED lights inside houses to make them glow warmly. You can also string tiny fairy lights along pathways or around trees to create a magical ambience. Remember to carefully hide any wires or battery packs for a neat look. Finally, sprinkle a little glitter for extra sparkle, or add tiny wrapped gifts and miniature wreaths to complete your festive masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.